Hi, welcome to our VB Developing channel. Today we are here with a new video. Hope everyone is well. Today we will discuss operators from chapter 2. From here we will discuss about identity operators. Okay, let's get started. Identity operators are used to compare the objects, not if they are equal, but if they are actually the same object, with the same memory location. Here we see only two operators. The first one is the is operator. The is operators returns true if both variables are the same object. The is not operators returns true if both variables are not the same object. Well, let's see the whole thing practically. First we will create a new file. Okay, now we will declare three variables. Note here, we have kept two variables same, we'll understand later. Okay, first we will use the is operators as usual. Note here that the values of x and y are the same, so our result will be true. As you can see here, we got true as output, because both x and y variables are same. That means, both variables have same memory location, so our output is true. Now we will check the memory location of two variables, same or not. As you can see here, the memory location of both our variables looks the same. That's why we got true as output. The ID function returns a unique ID for the specified object. All objects in Python has its own unique ID. The ID is assigned to the object when it is created. The ID is the object's memory address, and will be different for each time you run the program. Here you will notice that different ID is generated every time. Here, as you can see, now our result is false, because the memory location of X and W are not the same, so our output is false. Now we will check the memory location of X and W. Now look here, our two variables have different memory locations, so our output is false as usual. Well, now we will use the is not operator. One thing to note here is that, is not operator is the exact opposite of the is operator. Here our output will be true, because variable X and W are not same, so our output will be true. As you can see here, we got true as output. Now we will change the variable W to Y. As you can see here, we got false as output, because X and Y are same memory location, that's why we got false as output. Okay, that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Subscribe the channel. Don't forget to like the video. Thank you.